Are the temperature profiles stable?
Yes, within tolerance. Cross-reference complete.
The thermal profile is consistent. Storage temperature maintained at 19.5 degrees Celsius, ready for cutting.
Confirmed. The batch is stable.
Ensure the fiber angles are correct at the critical load points.
The system is verifying the robotic accuracy and speed now.
Unlike the automated fiber placement, East Asian workers in dark blue uniforms manually kit.
That's it. The aileron flash flap composite control surface is loaded into a dedicated high-precision composite cure.
Reaching final torque now.
Confirmed. Reading is good.
Flawless performance. Deflection is well within acceptable tolerances.
All locks engaged, driver. Please confirm the checklist.
Confirmed. The Rafale shipment is secure.
Protected within this secure container is the aileron flap composite, en route to the Dassault assembly plant.
All right, that's good. Lock it down.
Receiving confirmed. Part 64 Alpha Sierra.
Visual inspection complete. Zero transit damage. This aileron is ready for integration.
Diagnostics are reading nominal across the interfaces.
Okay, let's proceed with the final alignment sequence.
Slow and steady. The laser indicates final position.
Confirmed. The tolerances are exact. Locking the pin.
Hydraulic coupling secure.
Wiring harness double-checked and locked. Final integration complete.
Aileron flap cycling sequence initiated. Movement is smooth. Response time nominal. Test complete. Validation successful.
As the Rafale moves through final assembly, meticulous work ensures the continuity of the specialized stealth coating.
Hypertube tube is installed near the leading edge and near measuring edge.
Ground control, this is rollout team. We are clear of the hangar, proceeding to compass rose, all systems green.
Flap and aileron check nominal on the tablet, over. Rafale 1, systems check complete.
Roger that. Runway is clear for immediate departure.
Good hunting.
The Rafale's precision-manufactured composite surfaces ensure aerodynamic purity, demonstrating unmatched.
The continuous, reliable coverage of respondent departure in the gliding to gliding ports affirming its entire day its essential role in traditional role.
The extreme uniformity of the Rafale's control surface highlights the meticulous layup and trimming processes performed by robotic automation.
The Rafale's flawless touchdown confirms the reliability of its advanced composites. At the factory, precision robotics ensures structural performance.
Flawless operational performance on the control surfaces. Handing her over.
Understood. We accept for servicing. The secondary composite components remain reliable.
Showcasing the seamless transition from raw carbon fiber to a critical, functional aerospace component, the Rafale is now fully operational.